We can all agree that the best combination to fish sauce is very soft yam. Am I lying, my friends? Hi, my friends, it's me, your friend Temilolua, but I love it when you call me Chef T or T Baby. Anyone you want is fine. Today we are making special fish sauce, not just your ordinary fish sauce, special fish sauce, because we're making use of 3 variants of fish. Without so much being said, if you've not subscribed yet, before we move into this video, if you've not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button. It is very important. Whenever I see your subscription, it makes me feel like I am doing something very right. Give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and of course, I'm sure you will find this video very helpful. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. I love to see your suggestions, what you feel about this video, suggestion on the next recipe to post. You can drop them in the comment section. And without so much being said, please let's move right into the ingredients. We need yam, frozen fish, rough pepper mix. I'm using the combination of fresh tomatoes and scotch bonnet, onions, deboned dried fish, thyme, some green bell peppers, sardines, vegetable oil. You also need some ginger garlic paste. So my friends, the first thing we need to do is boil the fish. We want to season the fish with just bouillon cubes and salt so that the fish can be soft. Some salt, 2 bouillon cubes. My friends, it's been 5 minutes and I'm sure by now our fish should have been soft. Fish does not take time to cook. 3 to 5 minutes, at most 7 minutes, the fish should have been cooked. So let's check it out. My friends, another really interesting thing we're going to be doing is combining the 3 fishes together. So I'm going to add in the sardine and the dried fish alongside with the shredded fish. Now the dried fish. My friends, now that we've shredded our fish and we've done all the preparation, we've done about 60% of the work. Let's start making our fish sauce. So the first thing we want to do is saute our onions. To saute, you need some vegetable oil, onion, it is also necessary you go in with some thyme, ginger garlic paste. My friends, fry this for a bit till it is fragrant. By the time you begin to perceive the aroma, you know you are set to add in your pepper mix. Introducing the pepper mix. Bouillon cubes. Oops. It is finally time to introduce our fish. We are making fish, so what is fish sauce without fish? Tell me. So let's add in the fish into the pepper mix. Fish sauce is loaded. We're going to let it fry to the extent that there is no single water, just vegetable oil in the sauce. No single water, so that you don't want to taste the salt taste from the pepper mix, and also you do not want the fish to be tasting kind of raw. You know that we're making use of fresh fish and sardine. You need your fish to be properly cooked. So while that is busy frying on heat, let's boil our yam, because yam is best paired with fish sauce. Fish sauce and yam works hand in hand together, and you want to try this combination. Please try this combination and come back and thank me later. I'll be here. Of course, we're going to be boiling with little salt. cover and allow to cook till the yam is soft. My friends, the fish sauce is ready. Now, look at how good this looks, my friends. There is no way you will be making your fish sauce like this that you will not like fish sauce, except maybe you don't like fresh fish. But even if you don't like fresh fish, you can decide to fry your fish before you shred it. I'm going to finish up with some bell peppers. The bell pepper gives it some extra pop of colors. And we are done. We are done cooking the fish sauce. My friends, look at this. Look at this. The yam is not ready yet, but I'm sure in about 10 extra minutes the yam will be ready and I will be back. The yam was extremely soft, just like I love it. The fish sauce was so perfect. All the fish blended in so perfectly. The pepper was mild, it was not so spicy, and that is where your taste bud comes in. If you do not love your fish sauce extremely spicy, you should reduce your scotch bonnet pepper. The combination was so perfect, and my friends, I hope you know that you can pair your fish sauce with every other thing like spaghetti, any form of pasta of choice. You can even pair it with rice, and some people even pair it with bread. Trust me, it goes perfectly. Now that we've come to the end of this video, if you've been able to watch till this point and you've not subscribed, my friends, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, so that you will always be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section, and I would love to see you next time. Bye, my friends. If you try out my recipe, please send me feedbacks across all my social media platforms. Don't forget, I am Temiloluwa, but I love it when you call me T Baby or Chef T. Bye.